Hi, welcome to 50 Plus Tech. Today we are going to put together a 65% keyboard with the knob, which has been really popular lately. I'm considering getting a 75%, but this one's been sitting on my workbench for months. So I thought I would pull it out and put it together. I would probably use it with laptops because it has Bluetooth, and with other devices, that sort of thing. So we're going to put this together today. The Gamakay LK67 65% keyboard. It has the hot swappable board, so you don't have to worry about putting this stuff on yourself. Welding, I should say. Okay, so there's that. I like pink and purple and burgundy, and those are my color I'm working with, so I got myself the pink version of it. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. I got a new camera I am absolutely in love with that I will be doing a review on. It's an Insta360 Link, and it allows me to just kind of have the camera, I've got it set up behind my monitor, have the camera just kind of tilt down, and then I can do videos like this where I can show you stuff. So I'm excited about that. So there should be more content coming out because I won't have to worry about getting everything set up prior to recording. So that said, here's the upside down. Here's the thing that comes in. It's a 2.4G wireless and a wired and Bluetooth. It has, is that the right direction? Is that upside down? Upside down, girl. Okay, so there's a backlight mode. So it's just like a big long instruction thingy. Just gives you some basic information. I don't know if you can see that okay. That'll help me when it comes to putting in the keycap. So there's that. Comes in a nice box, and usually has this wrapped around it. Here's the board itself. Go down a little bit. It's upside down again. Different direction. I'll get it one of these days. Okay. So you can see it's a 3 to 5 pin. So you can put any switches you want to put in it. And then there's a little volume knobby. I didn't see stabs in here. I don't think there's any stabs, but I'm not going to worry about it this time, and we're not going to be taking them apart and lubing them and everything else. I'm just going to put it together as is and see if I like it, and if it feels like I need to lube it, I will do it later, but I don't think I will. Okay, so that's that. And there's a little box comes in it. Here, I'll put this on the this here so you can look at it while I open up the box. There's some shadows. I'll have to work on the lighting for this, but I really do love the ease of firing up the camera. How's that? Okay. And then it comes with this little box, and in the box is a little box. Boop. Comes with a really nice cable with a C. 3.0 or USB cable. And this is really, I love these kind with this kind of cable. And then it comes with the switch puller and keycap puller, so it's a two-sided. So that's kind of neat to have. I've got a few of these in drawers. And then it comes with the Bluetooth dongle, so that you can just plug it into something and just start using it. So that's cool. Alright, so next thing we need to do is I have these switches And these are, I've got 90 of them. And let's see, what does it say on here? It says it is the Kaihl Pro Burgundy. There's 90 of them in there. So yeah, the Kaihl Pro Burgundy, they're linear, 50 gram, 1.7 millimeter, 3.6 millimeter total travel. So there's, of course, because it's linear, even though it has the same operating force as the tactile for Kaihl Pro, which is 50 grams too. There's no click. Oh, I hope you can see it. Hold on. I'm clicking and I'm not even looking to see if you can see it. Alright, okay, that's a little bit. I don't normally have to do this on this camera, but alright, so that's what it looks like. We're not going to break them open. I have a switch opener, but I think we're just going to do straight up put it together. So that's the Kaihl Pro Burgundy. The reason I went with this one is I have Kaihl Pro, let's put these in. I have Kaihl Box White that I've been using all along, and I just really love the Kaihl stuff. I'll make sure I'm doing this in the right direction so I don't bend anything. Let me look real quick. Yeah. Okay. Alright, you should hear it clicky when you put it in. So I will speed up this part. You have to watch me put every single one in, but we'll put these in. Okay, so yeah, and I just really like the Kaihl series, and I tend to like a smoother linear. I like a bump on my, why is this one giving me grief? Hold on. Okay, I don't know what's up with this one. I'll have to, oh, it's bent. I bent it. Okay, don't bend it. Be careful and gentle. There you go. That's it. But yeah, I tend to like my regular keys. Just, why am I bending? Am I bending, or am I just putting it in weird? Hold on. Okay, well that's 2. That's why we have 90. The thing that's going to be a trick for me is moving from a TKL to a 65% is the function keys and the number key. I wonder if I'm going to have to remember. Now, the one downside to this is that the software, you have to use Gamakay software. And I would rather use the QMK or the VIA. You can't use QMK or VIA with this Gamakay. So I'm thinking of getting a 75%. There's a 75% board I was going to... Are you going to be good for me, or why are you giving me grief? This one in particular does not want to go in. That'll be the second one I tried to fit in there. Why doesn't it? How about in this one? Does it go in this one? Oh, that one's really bent. I'm going to run out of extras. What is going on with that one? Hold on a second. Ah, there we go. That was weird. I'm not sure that all the ones that I put to the side are actually an issue. I think it just might have been the angle I was coming from. So let's... Yeah. Yep, it's the angle. Because that one wanted to give me grief. Alright, so it looks like we are in good shape. I got a couple more to put in. Alrighty. Alright, so I am going to leave those separate. I've got a few left over. See, I've got a few left over, and then I had about, I don't know, about a dozen. A little less than a dozen. Oop! That I had some issues with, so I'm going to put them on the top there. Alright, so that's that. Oh, I need one more. What am I thinking? I need one for my space bar. Okay. We'll do this. Alright, so you see this? I hope the lighting was okay for you. So all of the burgundy, the Kaihl Pro Burgundy ones are in there. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to move this aside just for a minute. I'm going to grab my... Okay. So these are the Akko keycaps, black and pink dancer version. So let me take this out. Comes like this. I kind of mangled the bag taking it in and out to play with it, but it comes with, I'll show you what it comes with. I love the box. I love the colors. Do you see the colors? I'll do it this way so you guys can see. Just love that black and pink combination. Had a little bit of a stab, like somebody stabbed my keyboard, but it's a cherry profile, PBT double shot. So I'll put those aside. I love the case that this comes in. And you'll see in just a second. Some of them come with a little thing in between, you'll see. So this case is reusable, and I think it's gorgeous. Turn it the right way so you can see it. Really pretty. This is a case for the keycaps. So let's do this. Nothing falls out. I can't get the whole thing in at once yet. But can you see it okay? Those are really pretty. I won't need them all because it's only 67 keys, but it's pretty. And it comes with this little keycap puller, which we're probably going to need. Really, really pretty. And I'm trying to decide, the only thing that I noticed, let me let this focus. Okay, The only thing I noticed was that this pink is not quite, let me pull this up. And you can't really tell because the light's kind of bad. Okay. It's kind of off. I don't know if you can tell. See how that's a lighter pink and a dark pink, but not a big deal. Let me move over a little bit and see if that helps with the light. Okay. So now I need a little book because I don't know the actual, I know the standard stuff, but how this is set up. Okay. Let's look real quick. Okay, so there is an escape key. Let me take that out. Let's put the escape key here. I might change that. I think I'm going to put a black escape key. Looks nice. And then we'll put function 1. Now the only thing is, these are not shine-proof keycaps. So, and there's no, like on my TKL, there's no bar underneath with RGB, but I'm really not that worried about that on this particular keyboard. I'm not a big RGB person, but I don't mind it. Okay, so, oh, is this the right one? That's wrong. Oh no, that's right. Okay, I don't have function keys that have numbers on top. So I am going to have to just, no. Sorry, my headset turned off. I'm going to have to just know that F1 is 1, F2 is, you know, things like that. Unless I decide I want to buy another set. Or I'm going to do alternating. Let me get. Now look at the inside of these. These are really nice. This is the pink ones. Let me do this so you can see. And then if I turn it over, it's got black on the inside. That's really nice. So, and then on the black ones, I'll do that in a second. It has the pink, the black, and it has pink on the inside, I think. I have another set of keycaps too that. Alright, so that's F6. Is that what it says? F7. Is there more than one functions? Oh, it looks like there might be. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember because they have multiple. Alright, now we can go back over to F9. I may have to get, we'll see how it goes, if I get used to it. I may have to get some keycaps that have multiple things on it, or just learn it. I probably know it and don't realize I know which functions there are. Okay, F11. I will probably speed it up. I wanted to show you before I get through the rest of it. It also comes with the keycaps come with this thing that has more of the pink keycaps. So I was probably I might play with this a little bit in terms of the color layout, but there's probably... No, there's no pink. Oh, does this have the functions with the different... It has the numbers. I could always replace the function keys with the numbers, and then it would show me $sign, %sign, whatever that goes on top. Function, let's see if this fits. That looks pretty good to me. Now, is it too big? I need a smaller function key. Yeah, this one doesn't fit. I can't get it. Alright, so we need a little one. Which is fine, just, yeah. Yeah, because that one won't fit. Come on, yeah. Oh, it's sitting on top of the alt. It doesn't want to fit. Oh, that's not good. Oh, maybe I need a smaller alt. Yep. Alright, so don't use the larger of the alt and the function on this type of... Perfect. Take this up because I can't get anything in there. It's too big. I'm having some issues trying to get this out. Come on, alt. Can't do it. Really? I think I have to take this one out. Get the alt out.
Oh my god, it's stuck. No. Grunt, groan, fuss. Alright. Fair warning. Don't put the bigger alt and function keycaps in. And take it. I want to take this out. That one this side. Okay. And they're stuck to each other. Oh no. So it looks like there's already stabs in there, so I'm not stabilizers in there, so I'm not going to need to do anything like that. Unless you really, there you go. Wow. Alright. You need to use the little baby ones. The little baby alt and the little baby function, because they won't fit otherwise. Okay. That would make better sound. Okay. Wait, what? Oh god. Ah, my talent knows no bounds. Don't do this. You know what I did? I put the alt on the other side of the space bar. Don't do that. There we go. Alright, we got it. No, don't do it again. I don't know why I keep wanting to do that. Okay, let's see. What am I supposed to do? Sorry, little space bar. Okay. Control. Probably. See, all my keycaps are in here. Put them back in the box for now until I can kind of do this. I may pull some of these out and put them in just for some alternating. And I know it's been kind of bright for you guys, so I'm going to lift up the keyboard and let you see it up close. And that didn't take me very long. It was less than an hour, and that's because I ran into a couple issues, but let's see, let me come down a little bit. The brightness over there. That's the shadows from the keys on there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find some other lighting because I have a what do you call it? Some ceiling fan with a light in it above me, so it causes shadows. So I'll have to figure something else out, lighting stuff. But if you guys can see that pretty well, except for the little button right there. See how there's a slider. Trying to get that the right. There we go. And then on top, it shows you which. You know, like I have it on the USB connected, which is the second one. This one. And then there's Bluetooth. And then there's I guess. I've got a couple function keys that are too tall. See how you can see it. It doesn't sound too bad with nothing done to it. We haven't lubed anything. That is not bad looking. I will probably get a skate key. But I do like these keycaps. They look good. Of course, I have this up in the air now, so I don't know how it's going to affect the acoustics. But there you go. Gamakay67. Akko keycaps and Kaihl Pro Burgundy. Yeah, I have to open up the software for this and make some tweaks. But I like it. It's a nice, relatively inexpensive keyboard. I will put all the amounts and everything on here so you can see. And I will work out the lighting on this. That's too bad the lighting was a little funky, but there you go. I have to set this up in the software. Again, it's not QMK or VIA, but it should be sufficient for setup. And I'll try the Bluetooth and everything. I'll let you know in the description. Be sure to subscribe and like and let me know if there's anything you want to see. I will be recording more often or creating content more often because I really love this camera. Just have to fix the lighting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.